Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily freeze like a frame on CapCut PC. So add your video to your timeline, and for instance I want to freeze this bit right here. So I'm just going to freeze it here. So select the clip, and as you can see there are these buttons that you can press. Select freeze here, and as you can see this frame has been frozen. You can add in maybe like a black and white filter to it, or like a fade filter to it, or a colorful one, but that is basically how you can freeze a frame on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!